Good morning, friends at home. We are at school right now doing our number corner. So my friends here at school and at home, you can participate with us. I want you to think about, what is today going to be? We talked about patterns yesterday, and we talked about our model or our picture. I want you to think about what today will be. Yes?
I think it will be a yellow popsicle sticks because there's a pattern. When it first it goes orange tally mark, yellow popsicle sticks,
Good.
and then it goes blue.
10 frame.
Yeah. So and for yesterday we had a orange tally.
You're right.
So it's definitely gonna be a popsicle stick.
What color?
Yellow.
So at home, I want you to think about what's underneath this square. Here at school, I want you to think about that too. Our friend thinks that it is going to be yellow with popsicle sticks. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you think something different. I'm going to give you just a little bit time to think about that. What is underneath this square for today? Okay, seeing lots of thumbs ups. I want you to also tell me what number is underneath this square. Check out our calendar. What number would be under here? Raise your hand. Aria?
I think it must be yellow.
Oh, we know the color might be yellow. What about what number? So if yesterday was 10,
There's two ones.
2 ones. What's 2 ones, Madison?
11.
11. Everyone say that with me. 11.
11.
All right, are you ready to see what's underneath this square?
11.
Okay, here. We were correct. Nice job, my dear. All right, so we're going to put that on. Now we need to write it down on our calendar grid. So for dates, I'm going to write 11. What am I going to write for the model? Kim, how about you come over just a little bit? Yeah. What am I going to write for my model or picture? Go ahead.
2 ones.
Look at my picture. What am I going to write?
What do you call those again?
What are those called? We used them during our math lesson yesterday. Do you remember? What were we building yesterday?
Twin popsicles.
So popsicle sticks, these are called. So how many am I going to draw?
11
11, good. And remember, I put rubber bands around a group. Does anyone remember what I did yesterday? How many are in this? How many are right here? We did it together yesterday. Maddie? 10. This is called a bundle. Say that with me. Bundle. So it's a bundle of 10. So I'm going to make a bundle of 10. So we're going to just show them that they're all attached, and then I'm going to have one more. So how many 10s do I have? How many bundles? Dominic, how many bundles?
11.
Not quite. Look at how many bundles are here. How many? Madison. That's how many popsicle sticks, but how many bundles? Do you want to try again? 1. Only 1. So I have one group of 10. And I have only 1 popsicle out. So my number is 11. So 10 plus 1 equals what, my friends? 11. Great job. Days in school. Who can tell me how many days in school we've been? Think about yesterday was 7. What would be today? 8. How do you know that?
Well, it's just like when you count to 100, it goes from 1 to 10.
Yeah. And you know that after 7 comes
8.
8. Good. What about our date? Who can help me with that? Something different today. Yeah.
9-11-20.
How'd you know that? Good job. What helps you know that? Where could you look if you don't know? Somewhere on our number corner. Where does it show our date? Yeah, because let's go back here. Do it with me. Today is Friday, September 11th, 2020, Aria. 2020. So we leave our month in our year. Let's spin our spinner. What's on the spinner again? Just some coins?
A quarter.
Raise your hand.
There's penny and nickel.
There's pennies. Point to the pennies for me. Pennies are right here. And our nickels. What color are our nickels? Do you remember? Think about it.
Teal.
Not quite. You're close.
Silver.
Silver, it's called. Say that with me. Silver. Our nickels are silver. How much is the nickel worth? Show me with your fingers. Daniel's right. Good. Madison. It's worth 5. So what would a penny be worth? Show me with your fingers. A penny. At home, you should be doing this too. Good. I'm seeing my friends go like this here at school. A penny is only worth 1. All right, I'm going to spin my spinner. Are you ready? Watch what I get. I'm going to show my friends at home first, and then I'll show you. Think about what I might have landed on. So friends at home, I want you to think about what I landed on. And here at school, take a look. Oh, don't blurt it. Think about it in your mind.
Oh.
Turn and talk to a partner. Stay where you are. Just turn your bodies. So Dom, you go backwards. Yep. And think about, and then Adele, right here. Talk to Daniel. Think about what I landed on. Say it quietly. Oh, let's go back just a little bit. We need to still social distance. What did we get? At home, I want you to be thinking about what I landed on. How much is it worth? What is it called?
A nickel.
Oh, you're not flirting. Say it to your partner. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I love how my friend here in the front is facing me. Her voice is off now. She's back in her spot. What did you talk about? Someone raise their hand and tell me. What did you talk about?
We talked about the nickel, and we talked about how much it would be worth.
Okay, so you told me that this is a nickel. Thumbs up if she's correct. She is. It's a nickel. How much is it worth?
1.
Ooh, think about it.
5.
It's worth 5. So I'm going to find a nickel in here. Let's see. Is this a nickel? It is? Friends at home, does that look like our nickel? Oh, I'm seeing some friends shake their head. Why? What is this?
Oh,
This is not a nickel, so we have to be super careful. We're going to be learning about this. This is called a quarter. I want you to look at the difference right now. So at home, I'm going to show you first. There's some big differences. So check out the size, too. Do you see the differences?
not really.
I want you to take a look if you don't. So you don't want to get confused. They look kind of close. What's different about them? Nope, we're not going to touch them. I just want you to look with your eyes.
One is not. This one is right, but that one is.
This one is our nickel, but how do you know?
because it doesn't have that man on.
Right. The character on the coin is different. Also, a quarter is much bigger. So we're going to take our nickel and put it in here. And then we are going to take our nickel that's up here. And where am I going to put this nickel on our graph? The top or the bottom?
Top.
Yes. Top. We're going to add to it. All right, my friends, we're going to do something different today with number corner. Take a look right here. There's some numbers under there. But you don't know what they are. I want you to think about what could be under here. What numbers could be under here? At home, I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to think about what numbers might be under here.
Can I talk to our neighbors?
Not right now. I want you to think in your mind first. Raise your hand when you think you have an answer. Or maybe think about what this could be called. Yes.
I think the number would go up to 11.
Ooh. How come you think that? That's a great observation.
Because there's 11 cards.
There's 11 cards. How'd you know that so quick? I didn't see you pointing and counting. How'd you know there was 11 cards there?
Because I counted in my hand and point.
You counted in your head. What do you think?
I think it's called a number line.
It's called a number line. She's right. Go ahead.
And I also think there's
Okay. I'm going to flip over one card, and then I want you to think about if our two friends are correct. Were you thinking that was going to be the first number?
yeah, no.
I want you to think about what would be right here. Look where I'm pointing. What number would be right here?
That would be
Oh, we're not flirting. Thanks for my friends that are raising their hand.
5.
Who thinks it's also 5? By a show of hands. Okay. Look at home. He's correct. So I want you to think about what would be right here. Our last card that I'm going to flip over for today. Think about it. Brady, what would be right here? Think 11. Who has a different guess? We have some 11s. What do you think? Why do you think that?
Because it's supposed to have 0 and then it goes to 10.
Yeah. It is 10. It's a little bit tricky because our number line starts with 0 instead of 1. So that is a 10. We're going to keep working with our number line, and you are going to get super good at your number line this year. I'm excited to start it. I will see you all on Monday.